Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azan Ares Auto. Today we are going to be adding key to a GM Yukon 2012 model. The customer have a working key and the remote. Can hear the sound. So today I'll be adding a key and a remote. So presently this key cannot start the car. So first of all, we check the VIN of the car. (2010) Yukon, GMC Yukon. Emo status scan, but let's just go to control unit, immobilizer system. We are going to add key. Ignition is on. As the switch ignition is on, establishing communication. Now, at least 2 keys are required. Requiring 2 keys. I just wanted to add let me cancel this option. Saying requiring 2 keys. Let's see. Let's go to the more status scan. So okay, let's see what's key here. Okay, I cannot start that. Okay, start key learning. Do you want to start the DCC learning? Please no if you do not want to perform this process. Let me cancel this first. So I decided to cancel it because I want to turn the ignition on with the key to be learned. So I go to add key. Do you want to start the DCT clearing process? If not, do you want to perform this process? Okay, yes, clear the DTC. Ignition is switched, ignition on, ignition is on.
Love you.
Do you want to start the key learning process? Press no if the key learning process has already been performed. I want to start the key learning process. Switch the ignition on is on.
Okay.
At least 2 keys are required to complete this process. So this might take a longer time, so I'll pause the video till we get to about 90%. So presently we're supposed to wait for 12 minutes. So this is 90% of the 12 minutes wait. So we're almost done for the 12 minutes wait. Most, you say? No, just hold on. I also round up. So that you go fit do your own check yourself. Switch ignition off, the circle on off with all keys you want to program. If the lane key is inoperative, power off the vehicle for 2 minutes. Okay. First of all, is this one working? That one is working. So switch ignition on. In turn, press the lock and unlock button for each remote key until the beep or S, or press lock and lock button for 5 seconds. Release button and press the lock button. Sorry, I had to drop. So it has been programmed. This is the hot key, and this is the new key. So let us unlock, then start the car. This is the new key. This is the old one. So both key has been successfully programmed. The remote equally are working. This is Azan Arez Auto. You can like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Okay, we are done programming the remote. Just want to test the function of the remote. Yeah, the car is locked, but all doors are locked. If you press the unlock, only the driver's door unlock, passenger side does not unlock. So lock, but to unlock all doors you have to press the unlock twice. So all doors are unlocked. Now to unlock the glass, not the boot, just the glass, you press the boot unlock button. Presently, as you can see, it is locked. Press and hold. You can see it is unlocked. So the remote is working perfectly. Thank you.